and welcome to my birthday. Literally running to a workout class. The irony. That was the workout. I didn't film it because I'm not allowed to, and also you don't want to see that. I've got my coconut water lemonade sweetened with stevia. It was $9. Tastes like it's worth it. Anyways, I'm gonna go hang out in the park now and get some sun. All right, we're at the park. Alex is a hero. She brought the smoothies and the snacks and all kinds of good stuff.
Yay!
Gorgeous day.
And the fan, because it's...
Yes, indeed. Oh, it's not gonna pop with a twist.
Oh, it's just... Birthday cheers!
Cheers.
Ooh, that's good.
To 31 more. And maybe another 31 too.
Yes! That Italian blood.
93! Alright, I am dressed. I am wearing this Hawaiian shirt. I am ready to go celebrate my birthday. Have some dinner and meet up with some friends for some drinks. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to Atlantic City. Dinner was at one of my standby favorites in New York City, Becco in Hell's Kitchen. I got a nice cold glass of rosé, some olives, some bread, a Caesar salad, and then I just ordered the appetizer, garlic white wine mussels as my main course. To Atlantic City. I didn't film anything because it's just so boring and like there's nothing to film, but I just want you all to know that I'm at Guy Fieri's sandwich joint and I just paid $13 for a sandwich. Guy Fieri's, we're going in. So while you're waiting for your $13 sandwich, you can have viewing pleasure of watching Guy Fieri eat on the TV while you're waiting for your sandwich to be handcrafted by this artisan. So I'm just here for the night. I'm gonna be going to an event tonight and then I'll be heading back to New York City tomorrow, but I'm hoping to get to the casino and maybe win a few dollars. That'd be nice. Yeah, so here's the sandwich. It's kind of a mess, kind of like Guy Fieri. It's buffalo chicken. It's spicy and good. I don't think it was worth $13, especially because it's such a mess. So, thanks, Guy. Hello, so I'm back from Atlantic City. I didn't film all that much because I was just having a good time and my phone just constantly seems to be on empty. And it is so hot in New York City right now. It's probably 100 degrees. The air conditioner is cranked up to turbo. It's as high as it can go. I'm sitting on the floor. This is my fridge. I am sitting in front of the fridge. That's how hot it is. But I'm also sitting in front of the fridge because I wanted to show you my Hungryroot haul, the stuff that I got while I was away in Atlantic City. My roommate put it in the fridge for me. So these are my things for the week. I've got butternut squash noodles, and some of this is left over from my last shipment too. I have 3 packages of the red lentil fusilli pasta, and this is so good. It's ready in like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm probably gonna make this tonight because I'm hungry and I just don't feel like cooking in this heat. You just bring the water to a boil and it's ready in like 2 minutes. It pairs perfectly with this new superfood tomato sauce, one of my favorites. I also have the kale pesto and the beet pesto. These sauces are amazing. I love the packaging. It's very simple, it's not wasteful. Sweet potato ribbons, some broccoli rice, Asian salad mix, one's a super salad blend. Smoked salmon, 2 ways. Cold smoked and the hot roasted. I have a video where I prepare this 2 ways. I'm gonna put it in the card right there. This is not from Hungryroot, but I've been obsessed with these cucumbers lately, these little Persian cucumbers. These are such a good snack and they're really hydrating in the summer. My favorite go-to snack, the pili nuts. I don't know how to say that, but these are really delicious. They have a lot of healthy fat in them, so they keep you satiated, satisfied. I've got spinach garlic chicken sausage. I've got 2 of those. And I also have 2 bags of pea snaps, which is one of my favorite go-to snacks as well. And then up here I have a garlic parm, and I still have from last time, I have a green chili that I haven't used up. I have a lemon tahini that I haven't used up. And I have a brown rice quinoa blend, 90 seconds in the microwave, and this is ready. By the way, hi, this is me from the future telling you that if you have used Hungryroot before and you previously canceled your account, you should come back and try it because a lot of things have changed over the year. So if you want to try it again, I'm going to give you guys 20% off your next 2 boxes. All you have to do is sign up again with the link below. If you're new to Hungryroot, you can get $25 off your first 2 boxes, a total savings of $50 off, with the coupon code 25OFFVINCE. Okay, back to the past. So, Hungryroot is so convenient. It's great to have this stuff in the fridge. I don't eat just Hungryroot. I do supplement with things from the grocery store. I do go out to eat once in a while, but knowing that I have a shipment of food coming that's healthy, pre-cut, delicious, easy, go-to is great because it'd be so easy to just go to McDonald's or, I don't know, order Domino's or something. But when it's in your fridge and it's within reach, you're probably gonna eat it. I'm not even in the frame. I'm sorry, I'm not a vlogger. Like, this is not what I do. It's not really what I want to do either. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing on this YouTube channel besides talking about Hungryroot. Oh my gosh. I have more Hungryroot things. I have 3, oh, I'm so glad I ordered these. I have 3 green juices. I'm going to have one right now because I am parched. I have an almond milk maca matcha. So, that's what I've got. That was my birthday. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. You really didn't see the whole thing because I barely filmed anything. But this is my 3rd birthday vlog. And I'm not a vlogger. I'm going to go sit in front of the AC, eat some pea snaps, and call it a day. So, I guess I'll see you next year when I turn 32. God help us.